Hi everyone, let us solve this question. In the problem it is saying that we have a not solid, it is a hollow sphere. I'm just making it, just a minute. I'm just making it no fill. This is one of the solid sphere. This is another solid sphere. Both are not solid. These are both are hollow. Clear everyone? In the problem it is saying that this is one, this is another one. Okay. I'm just taking this. Very important thing you must remember. This is the radius of the first hollow sphere, that is a small a. This is radius of not small, it's a bigger hollow sphere, that is small b. This is first point, this is second point. You just need to calculate the potential difference between the surface of two hollow sphere. So these are the surface of first hollow sphere. This is the surface of second hollow sphere. You must calculate the difference of potential between the two hollow sphere, means delta V between the surfaces. You must calculate. Okay. So first of all we will calculate V1. How to calculate V1? V1 is what? V1 is a potential at this point. So just imagine in your mind there is certain charge is placed over it. Just imagine in your mind. And small q is the charge over the, it is mentioned in the problem, plus q here है. You must calculate what is V1. V1 कैसे निकालेंगे आप? V1 पे आप अपने मन से मान लीजिए कोई ना कोई टेस्ट चार्ज रखा हुआ है. Then what is the potential? What is the potential at this point V1? इस छोटे वाले सरफेस जो अंदर वाला हॉलो स्फीयर है, इसके लिए ये पॉइंट P क्या होगा? इसके लिए सरफेस पर होगा. और जो इनसाइड वाला जो आउटर आपका स्फीयर है, उसके लिए ये जो पॉइंट है पॉइंट 1, इट इज इनसाइड. सो व्हाट वी नो, यहाँ जो पोटेंशियल होगा वो किसकी वजह से होगा? इनसाइड वाला स्फीयर, हॉलो स्फीयर, और एक्सटीरियर वाला हॉलो स्फीयर की वजह से. सो आपको पता है कि इनसाइड वाला के लिए ये जो पॉइंट है ये इसके सरफेस पे लाई करता है. ओके. सो 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट V1 कैसे निकालेंगे? Q अपॉन स्मॉल q अपॉन a. इसकी वजह से होगा पॉइंट 1 पर. ठीक है. एक्सटर्नल मतलब आउटर स्फीयर के लिए ये पॉइंट क्या है? इनसाइड. सो एज वी नो दैट E is equal to minus dV over dr. Electric field inside the hollow sphere is 0. So whatever is the potential at surface में जो भी पोटेंशियल होगा वही इसके इनसाइड होगा. मींस आउटर स्फीयर की जो सरफेस पे जो पोटेंशियल होगा, मान लीजिए जो भी है Vs, वो इनसाइड भी सेम रहेगा बिकॉज डेल्टा V इज 0. क्लियर? सो VE क्या होगा? 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट, स्मॉल q नहीं आएगा, कैपिटल Q अपॉन B. इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. इन द सिमिलर वे यू कैन कैलकुलेट व्हाट इज V2. V2 is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught. V2 means what? Potential at this surface, not surface, at this point. So this point is at the surface of outer sphere and this point is exterior to this inner hollow sphere. इसके क्या है? Exterior है. You already know the distance. So 1/4 pi epsilon naught small q upon B plus 1/4 pi epsilon naught capital Q upon B. Equation second. So what in the problem it is asking? V2 minus V1, that is potential difference between these 2 points. So V1 minus V2, basically V1 minus V2 निकालिए, V2 minus V1 whatever else, साइन का डिफरेंस रहेगा बस. नो वरी, V1 में से V2 को आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे then you can easily see here 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q upon B, 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q upon D. So these two will be cancel out. When I cancel out this, when I subtract this will cancel out this. So final answer will be how much? I'm just noting here. Just please see this carefully. 1/4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon A minus 1 upon B into Q. So you can see that in the final expression there is no effect of the outer charge on the potential difference. If you put 100 coulomb 1000 coulomb over the outer sphere, then there is no effect of this heavy charge on the potential difference. Heavy potential charge, not potential difference, is only affected by the small q. Small q is the charge on inner hollow sphere. Clear? So this concept is asked in many IIT problem exam. So you can just see this. Potential difference is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q 1 upon a minus 1 upon b. So once again, thank you so much. Thanks a lot.